everybody, welcome back. Omega Given here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to record a video and upload to YouTube. Basic, like no editing, no nothing, just how to just do it. Because some people just have no idea where to get started. What is the workflow like? What do you do to get that workflow? So what we're going to do is basically you're going to need this app open. This is the camera app. This makes it so you can do videos like this. This is how I'm recording. I click record. Make sure you enable a mic. If you don't enable mic, you won't have the mic. Then you need to have the browser, so you can have YouTube logged in. So you're gonna have to make sure you have YouTube logged in. And once you finish recording a video, like we have a video right here, we can then go over here to our YouTube tab and we can upload a video just like you would normally do on like YouTube, basically, but as if you were on a computer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select the file. We're gonna select our most recent file right here. And then we can edit it from here, and basically just as if you're on a computer, which is pretty awesome because sometimes people have no idea how you're doing stuff. It is a little hard because you got to use this text box thing. So maybe you might want to edit this on the phone, so you just get it uploaded basic to here. So we just like go with that, just upload like normal, unlist it, don't make it public so you can edit it before you make it public on your phone, maybe a computer. But this is how you can upload a video. So if we go to the content section of my channel, the Mega Solutions channel, we can then find that video is right there and it is being ready to upload. So I actually am not going to upload that video. I'm going to upload this video instead. So yeah, that's how we're going to do it. But it's just like a way that people can record and upload. I would probably try to see if there's any kind of video editing features you can do on Quest 2, because I'm using a Quest 2 right now. But other than that, hopefully this is giving you a little tutorial on how to upload videos to YouTube via Quest 2. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.